How to close your DEGIRO account. Follow my instructions. If you're done investing or want to switch platforms, you can close your DEGIRO account safely and easily. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the DEGIRO app and log in. Make sure your account balance is zero. Sell any remaining assets from your portfolio. Then withdraw all available funds to your connected bank account. Next, tap the menu icon usually found at the top or bottom corner. Go to Contact or Help Center. You won't find a direct Close Account button in the app, so you need to submit a request manually. In the Help Center, search for Close Account. Tap the article that explains the process. Then scroll down and select the contact form or send request. Fill out the form with your full name, account number, and clearly state that you want to close your account permanently. DEGIRO may ask you to confirm by email, so check your inbox for follow-up instructions. Once approved, your account will be closed, and you'll get a final confirmation. It may take a few business days to complete the process. Make sure your balance is zero before you submit the request. And that's how you safely close your DEGIRO account in 2025. Thanks for watching.